Hello, I'm changing the oil on my 1998 Suzuki Samurai. I've discovered a little trick to make it a little bit less messy. After you've drained the oil pan of oil, you can go ahead and take a piece of aluminum foil and take that foil and lay it over the front transaxle so you can get to your oil filter, remove it, and keep the oil dripping over everywhere. When it's done, you can just go ahead and easily pull out the foil and it will be much less of a mess. I've pulled the oil filter off, and as you see, oil is draining down into my pan and not dripping all over the entire cross member for the front four-wheel drive axle. And after you replace the filter, just go ahead and pull the aluminum foil out. Makes for a much nicer and easier, no mess oil change. And no drips on the floor. Thanks for watching.